This is real-time analytics. Industry data is a big business. When you think about media measurement or point-of-sale data, you really get a lot of consumer insights. And there's some big players in it, like Nielsen and IRI. But marketing data is a little bit different. It's tougher to understand what's the brand penetration within bars and restaurants that's not just point-of-sale data. And $500 million is spent in the on-premise channel of marketing, but you don't really know if that money is well spent. So we're going to go and capture some data which involve photos taken by end users who we're going to go pay to then give us some raw material to go create some industry information out of. So for whatever survey we're going to do, so in the on-premise channel, several bars and restaurants around the country, we'll go engage end users, get some photos, and standardize that into numeric data to create industry deliverables. It's a pretty exciting idea to think about this mobile workforce that will be distributed around the country with cameras that can go grab us objective data from anywhere. So there's a lot of potential, but our first stop's the barn, and we'll see you there.